Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here. I want to show you the secrets to drawing trend lines in less than 3 minutes. So let's get started. I want to show you by using the S&P cash. We'll take a look at the SPX. We're going to look at upward trend lines and downward trend lines. And then the reason that we're doing this is because we want to see trends and changes of trends because we can really capitalize on those moves. So step 1, find the most sensible lowest low. Step 2, find the highest high. And 3, connect with the lowest low preceding the highest high. And then draw a box around that highest high and then the minor low after the breach of that trend line and look to short below the box. Here's a great example with the SPX. So here is a significant low, right? But if you go to the highest high, you'll see that it really didn't. If you go to the preceding lowest low, it doesn't really give you a significant trend line. So what we do is we find the next one that makes sense. So here is your lowest low. This is significant here to this prior highest high. There is your prior lowest low. You draw your box. You have your break. There's your minor low. And then boom, breaks right through there to the downside. Nice move from the 2690s all the way down to the 2550s. Okay, so here you can see again, this is a significant lowest low. But again, to the highest high, it doesn't really give us much to work with here. I mean, it certainly does long term, but we're looking for nice trades, that we can swing in a reasonable amount of time. So this ends up being the significant lowest low. You go to your highest high, you draw it to the preceding significant lowest low. Then you have your break here, you draw your box from the highest high to the prior swing low, minor low, breaks down through there. Very, very nice move from 2859 all the way out down to the low 2700s. Now let's take a look at the opposite. Let's look at downward trend lines. We'll find the most sensible highest high, find the lowest low. We'll connect with the highest high preceding the lowest low, and then we'll draw a box around the lowest low and minor high after the breach, and we'll look to go long above the box. Okay, so when we look at the prior highest high, obviously it doesn't make sense to go this way. I mean, it does long term, but when we're looking for sharp moves, it helps us to find a nice slope. And so we find here this is a significant higher high, or significant high before this low. So we go to the low, we find the next zone, we find the next higher high pivot, the next high pivot that finally breaks, and then we see this breach right here. Here's your significant high. We draw our box around that level. And you can see once we broke there, we had a huge move to the upside. And that's it. That shows us how to draw trend lines. If you like learning about day trading and technical analysis, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join us on our free market nightly live streams where we go over the state of the market, go over technical ideas, and take chart requests.